Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to use Syncthing. Super basic. If you want more complex stuff, you can watch other people's videos or go read some stuff online. Basically, I've been using Syncthing for a while now to back up the files on my Android phones. As you can see here, I have some stuff on my Pixel 6 and my Samsung tablet, and now I have a new phone, my X200 Pro that I got the other day, and I want to make sure that I don't lose files. I think in a world where cloud-based storage has become so expensive, this is probably one of the better ways to store things. But this stuff is very complex once you start to get into it, and again, there are other videos out there. And so for me, I'll start kind of like just follow exactly what I have here, and I'll kind of explain a little bit what all that means, what the setup that I have here, so that you can decide if it's for you. So basically, when you start, of course, you want to log into Syncthing on your computer, on the PC like that. So basically, I have a password set to mine. It's just a proprietary measure, but nothing crazy. So my password, I can log into it. And once I log into it, then, so basically they're on the same website, on the same Wi-Fi, my phone and my PC. So the first thing, of course, is to go into Syncthing on your phone. And you want to go to devices, and you can add device from here. Okay, so the way that you do is you add it from here like so, you name it, and it will pop up on your screen. It will pop up on this screen, okay, while you're in Syncthing, and then you can add it from here. And then from there, to back up your folders, what you want to do is you want to create a folder, of course. So the folder I want to create now should be called X200. I want to back up my music. So X200 Pro Music. Okay. And then you choose the directory. The directory typically for the music is in storage. Let's go back. It should be music right there. Right here. So use that, allow. So storage emulated 0/music. It's pretty much the same like that for the apps as well. The same like that for your pictures and videos, where you go to storage emulated /0/camera/whatever. And so after you do that, then you're going to click, toggle that on right there. Okay. And once you toggle it on, just leave everything else. But actually, folder type, you want to change it to send only, because you want to only send the files, you're backing up the files on your phone. So only send the files to your PC. You don't want to do it back and forth. Otherwise, you're going to have files on your PC wanting to go to your phone, and all it just gets messy. And so just make it send only, sends from your phone to your PC. Okay, and then have it toggled on for watch for changes, and like I said, leave everything pretty much the same. So you're going to click the check mark, and the moment you click the check mark, you can see that now this folder is here. It popped up because again, they're on the same Wi-Fi, you're logged into Syncthing, so the system is just actively checking for this stuff. I don't know how it works, it's just some voodoo science. Okay, so click add, and what you want to do is make sure it's of course the same X200 Pro, because we made the folder from our phone and it's just being generated on the computer. So this page, this first page is already there, and this sharing, it's already sharing with the phone. Other phones here would be this, but of course I'm sharing from this phone, so I just leave that. So general is left the same, sharing is left the same. File versioning, so file versioning basically means that, at least from what I understand, which is not too great, it's saying that as different files, let's say you have the one folder in the music, you add new music to it and so forth, as they change, which versions to keep and so forth. Just keep it as simple versioning, okay? And then put the clean out after. It's like a decent, I put it for like 3 months, because I don't back up my phone all that often. So I just put it for like 3 months, which is 90 days. And then keep like 3 versions of it. Basically, after 3 versions, the system wants to clean it out, right? The 3 versions on your computer, right? Then the system can clean it out. And then the versions path. So the versions path effectively should be in the same place as all the other folders. So I have all my Syncthing folders in like this one Syncthing folder after users, and so I'll create another folder for the versions. You can see that for each one I have a version for it. So the versions kind of go with the changes that happen to the folder. So I'll go back to my, find out the name of it. Let's see, general, the name is X200 Pro. Okay, and so when I go back here, make a new folder, X200 Pro music versions. Okay, so this is where my versions, any changes and stuff like that, the differences will be between this and the actual X200 Pro music folder. So I'll copy that address because that's what you need to put into this path over here. Okay, and then clean up. So basically after 3 versions of the same file, I want to clean up after so I just normally put 608 400. Don't ask me how, I don't remember now. I asked ChatGPT this. And if you don't know anything, if you don't understand any of these, you can just look it up in ChatGPT. That's what I did. But I'm saying this, basically, if you're not somebody that backs up your phone often, you back it up once in a while, maybe every couple of months, these settings should work just fine for you. And so then you go to ignore patterns, you can leave that, whatever. And then for advanced, the only thing that you really want to change is the send and receive. Make it receive only. Okay, and that's it. That's the only thing. So this is the maximum amount of settings that you should be doing basically. If you're not somebody that backs up your stuff often, and you have changes that you want to make sure that get stored on your computer every time you open both the Syncthing on your phone and the computer. And so save, and that's it. That's pretty much it. There's not much to it. So just follow those settings and I guarantee you'll be fine. Of course, if you back up your stuff very often, every day and stuff like that, you don't want to keep too many versions and you may want to decrease some of those intervals. And like I said, you can always use ChatGPT for that. And you can see all the folders are up to date. And what's it called? Here, if you see idle on this, on the computer, on the phone, that means that everything is pretty much fine. So that's all it is. So right now, I'm not sure if I have any music in that folder, but we can check. So when I go to my music, you can see there are a couple of songs that have now populated that folder. So now these are from, because there is a setting where you can do like mirroring, where it mirrors whatever is on your phone. However, for me, that's not good, because I don't want, if I delete some files on my phone, I don't want that to be mirrored on my computer, because then you lose files. So I had that initially, and then I changed it, which is why I have the computer set to receive only, and I have the phone set to send only. So that's crucial. And that's pretty much it. So thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions, if you encounter any problems, what I found the solution is to use ChatGPT. Just ask ChatGPT and it'll walk you through it. It's been wonderful. Okay, all right, have happy holidays to everybody. Bye.